I got my dope slimes odor. It's such a beautiful slime. I literally love it. Oh my god, I've never seen something as beautiful. It is. And also, Dope Slimes gave me this Patch Kids, which I'm very happy about. And they gave me a business card. And they gave me Activator, aka Borax. Do not eat Dope Slime's Activator powder. Except this slime does not need any activator because look at that drizzle. Oh yeah. I don't know if I'm doing well at this or something because I'm pretty much horrible at playing with cloud slime, even though it's like one of my favorite textures. Oh, sorry guys. I thought I just heard something. Anyways, this is so good. I literally love this slime. I wish I could make a drizzle with it, but I'm not very good at making drizzles. See, it just flops down. So maybe it doesn't need the activator, never mind. Anyways, I hope you guys like Dope Slime because, oh my god, I just did a drizzle. Because I love it. And hopefully you guys like Dope Slimes too. This is such a good slime. I can't with this slime. It's so beautiful. It was pink and blue before, but now it is purple. Such a good purple too. And there are these charms. And let me show you the slime again. Beautiful. Oh my god, is that a drizzle? No. I don't know if you guys caught that drizzle I actually made. Okay, I might add a little bit of activate. No, never mind.